Okay, this is the town where Mersat lives. As you can see, this is where you can come to get the fresh fish from the fishermen. See, the town is called Las Galletas, which is in Spanish. The cookies, kind of like a weird name, but anyway, you can see here the small port. Oh, you get this cannon is very old. It's not a pretty beach, but because it's very full of rocks. But you know, if you live in Norway, where your ass is frozen, and you come here, and this is a paradise. And this is the marina where you have bars and restaurants. You know, the only usually what you see here is a lot of tourist people from Norway, Sweden. Like this woman here, you see that she's so happy to be in the sun. And you see these 3 people ahead of me, 4 people ahead of me. They must be from maybe England. So what Mirsan and me do every Saturday is just like we meet in this Italian place, because since we like good coffee, and usually Italians have good coffee. This is a very typical town in the Canary Islands. You see, it's very Spaniard too. Although we're very far away from Spain, but it's the same culture. It's a Christian and laid-back culture. And as you can see, it's like everywhere you see a playground for kids, places usually to sit down, and now we're gonna go to this place where all these people come from all over Europe to sit down and get some sun. Obviously, this is this is a paradise. You know, like the only bad problem now is that there's a huge crisis. There's practically no jobs available, so everybody's going really poor. So if you can make money and then come here to enjoy life, it's the perfect life. You see people here enjoying. Most of these people come from the north of Europe. By the way, there is a sound of the water rinsing along the pebbles, which I like. I'm going to, because this is full of pebbles, and I like when the water retreats. It makes a sound that is wonderful. Can you hear? Let's see. Okay, here we go. I like that sound. I love it. I have never heard it anywhere else in the world. Oops. Here we go. All right, and the Italian place where we go is this one with the pink seats. You can see people are sit down just to enjoy. Like I told you, like coming here a couple of times a year is excellent, but the money has to be made somewhere else. That's what people do. They live in Europe, they make the money, because the north of Europe is doing well now. Alright, so you can see that this is me and I am in the place. It's Jen. Goodbye. See you later. Hola, ¿cómo estás?